Welcome to a PV Auto. Today, we take a look at one of the most exclusive and luxurious vehicles ever built, reimagined for the modern era. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach Exelero is expected to redefine automotive opulence with cutting-edge technology, breathtaking design, and unmatched performance. Let's dive into what makes this upcoming model so special. The design of the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach Exelero is a perfect blend of classic luxury and futuristic styling. Inspired by the original Exelero, this model will feature a long aerodynamic body with a commanding presence on the road. A massive front grille with the iconic Maybach emblem, sleek LED lighting, and sculpted lines will ensure it stands out as a symbol of prestige. Expect large multi-spoke wheels, a coupe-like silhouette, and a streamlined roofline to add to its elegance. The exterior will likely use premium materials such as carbon fiber and lightweight aluminum, enhancing both aesthetics and performance. Inside, the cabin of the 2025 Exelero will be nothing short of a masterpiece. Handcrafted leather, wood, and metal accents will create a first-class experience for both the driver and passengers. Advanced digital displays will replace traditional gauges, providing real-time vehicle data with a seamless interface. A high-end Burmester sound system, ambient lighting, and customizable seating with massage functions will elevate comfort to an entirely new level. Passengers will also enjoy rear entertainment screens, a champagne cooler, and personalized climate control settings, ensuring a ride that is as luxurious as it is smooth. Under the hood, the 2025 Maybach Exelero is expected to house a powerful twin-turbo V12 engine, producing over 800 horsepower. This power plant will allow the massive coupe to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 4 seconds. With an advanced all-wheel drive system and an adaptive air suspension, the Exelero will offer a refined yet exhilarating driving experience. There are also rumors that Mercedes could introduce a hybrid or fully electric variant, offering even more torque and efficiency without sacrificing performance. When it comes to practicality, the Exelero is not designed for everyday commuting, but rather as a statement of wealth and engineering excellence. The car will feature advanced driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Despite its size and weight, intelligent aerodynamics and active suspension will ensure a comfortable and controlled ride. While cargo space will be limited, luxury takes precedence in this grand tour. The price of the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach Exelero is expected to be well over $10 million, making it one of the most expensive cars in the world. With a limited production run, this model will likely be reserved for an elite clientele, ensuring its exclusivity and collectability. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach Exelero is a masterpiece of automotive engineering, blending power, luxury, and exclusivity in a way few vehicles can. What do you think of this ultra-luxury coupe? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the world's most incredible cars. Thanks for watching a PV Auto, and we'll see you in the next video.